Unpacking Slang. What does "I'm bushed" mean? Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a phrase that might bushwhack you with confusion if you're learning English. I'm bushed. Don't worry, it's not about gardening or hiding in the shrubs. So, if you've ever heard someone say it and scratched your head, this video is for you. We'll explore where this phrase comes from, what it means, and how you can use it in conversation. Stay tuned. So, what does "I'm bushed" mean? It's actually a slang term that people use to say they're very tired or exhausted. It's a casual and informal way to express that you feel like you have no energy left and you need rest. For example, after a long day of work, you might flop down on the couch and sigh, "I'm bushed." Understanding slang often means taking a little history lesson. "I'm bushed" is believed to have originated in America or Australia, where it may have referred to being lost in the bush or wilderness and thus exhausted from finding one's way out. Over time, it has come to mean a general state of exhaustion, with no bush navigation required. Now let's get practical. How can you weave "I'm bushed" into a chat? It's perfect for informal situations, like talking to friends or family after a hard day. Here's an example dialogue. Person A, "You look worn out. Are you okay?" Person B, "Yeah, I'm just bushed. I had 3 meetings back to back today." But remember, it's not appropriate for formal contexts, like in a job interview or at a business meeting. There are plenty of other ways to say that you're tired in English, and some of them include phrases like, "I'm worn out," "I'm beat," or "I'm running on fumes." All these express the same feeling of being very tired, but with their own twist. There you have it, a short guide to the phrase, "I'm bushed." I hope this video clears up the confusion and helps you feel more confident in using this phrase when you're really tired. Don't be shy to drop it in a conversation the next time you feel like you've hit your limit. Thanks for watching. And if you're feeling bushed right now, take it as a sign to get some rest. Until next time, keep learning and happy chatting.